Hello, girls. Today we are going to start. It is the concept of reflection, refraction, and its laws. So first of all, we are going to see light. What is the light? Earlier we are studied that light is a form of the energy. So it is the form of energy. But what is actually right? Light. So light is the agency which is identified, visualized, and sensation of the objects, that is called the light. Then properties of light or law of light means the light is rectilinear propagation of the light. Rectilinear means it is travel in a straight line. The law of reflection and law of refraction of the light, then the light is travels on straight lines. The incident angle is equal to the reflected angle. Then the light is travel one medium to another medium. Light it's change the way. So these are the about the lights. Then sources of the lights means luminous body, means which is the materials or bodies emits the light itself are called the sources of or luminous body, like that the star, sun, fire or lamp, firefly also. These are the examples of the sources of the light or luminous body. Non-luminous body means which is the materials or bodies which does not emit the light itself but appears due to the reflection of light is called the non-luminous body, like that the planet, satellite, earth, moon, uh, then so buildings and other trees, mountains. So these are the non-luminous bodies. Next, we will be see about the concept of reflection and refraction of the light. So reflection of the light means when a light is traveling in a medium and it fall on the second medium, the parts of the incident light is returned to the first medium. This phenomena is called the reflections. So which is seen at the diagrams. So there is the two types of the reflection, is regular reflection and irregular reflection. If surface is the regular or smooth, there is the regular reflection, and if the surface is the up and down, so then there is the irregular reflection. So the law of reflection means the incident ray reflect ray and the normal at the point of incident are in the same plane. And second law of the reflection is the angle of incident is equal to the angle of reflection. So but there is the one note is there, the laws of reflection are obey only in the regular reflection, they do not held in the case of irregular reflection or diffuse the reflection. So this is the law of reflection. And law of refraction means when the ray of light is traveling one form to another medium, one transparent body to another transparent mediums, so it's changed the way. So means it is the light is refracted, means refracted, it's changed the angle. So this is the refraction of the light. So as usual we have seen that, so there is the air medium and another is the water medium or glass medium. So when is the incident light and when the refracted ray is coming out, so it's changed the way. So this is the refraction of the light. And there is the law of refractions means or that the incident angle, refracted angle, and refracted angle and normal, it's in the same medium, it is the same medium. So the light is refracted when a ray of light incident and bounce is separating two media. Due to this phenomena of light, the refractive index is material can be found. So this is the refractive index. Refraction of the light. So the next lecture we will be see is the refractive index of the material.